Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to auto delete your Instagram search history. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Instagram app. So I'm going to click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon from the bottom side. Then click on your Instagram handle. Then go to Account Center. Then go to your information and permissions. Then go to Search History. Then select your handle. Then click on Default. It's going to take you right here. So right here you have different options. You can keep the search history for just 3 days. You can keep the search history for just 7 days. Or keep it for 14 days or keep it for 30 days. So this simply means that if you keep it to any of these, if I keep the search history into 3 days, it simply means that what you should know, when we clear a search, it will no longer be visible to you. We may still use search to personalize your experience for up to 90 days. You have turned on auto cleaning. We will all clear any search older than your selection time frame. It can take up to 24 hours to clear your search history. Next thing you need to do is simply click on confirm, and with that your search history will be deleted automatically every 3 days. Depends on the number of days you choose on Instagram. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.